Hello my dear students, this is the ARC question 13 of exercise 5.1. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is very easy. Yes, 90 degree, because complementary angle having the sum 90 degree. If the two angles are supplementary, what is the sum? Yes, very good, 180 degrees. So sum of their measure is 180 degree. Now, two angles are forming a linear pair. What they are forming? Linear pair. Linear pair, it means 180. So 180 it means, yes, it's the complementary or supplementary? Very good, supplementary. So right over here, it's the supplementary. Okay. So whenever two angles are forming a linear pair, they are supplementary angles. Is that clear? Why supplementary? Because linear pair having the total 180 and supplementary also having the total 180. Clear? Okay, fourth one. Two adjacent angles are supplementary. Now see, they are supplementary. Then they form, very good, vice versa, it's a linear pair. Yes or not? Because supplementary having the total 180. And what is the given adjacent angle? Yes or not? So they are linear pair. See students, make your concept clear over here. If you have doubt, then tick it. Whenever school will reopen, then you can ask me. Okay students? So please try to understand. It's very easy, and now you have the textbook. So don't do just exercise, learn the whatever introduction is given. Okay, just read it, and if your concept is not clear in a 7th standard, then in 8th standard maybe you feel trouble. Okay, now fifth one. If two lines intersect at a point, okay, two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles. Yes or not? Because two lines intersect here and here. They are intersecting at a one common point. So here these and these are known as a vertically opposite angle. Now you know these things. So they are always equal, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Here and here, these are equal and these are equal. Okay. Now fifth one. If two lines intersect at a point, two lines intersect at a point, if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angles, one pair of opposite angles are acute angles, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are, see, what is given? Two lines intersect. So here two lines are intersect. One pair of opposite angle, this is the one pair. Which angle they are? Acute. Acute means less than 90. Suppose over here they are 70. They are less than 90. Now you know vertically opposite angle equal. We have to find regarding the other pair. Other pair of opposite angle. It means this pair. Okay. What about this pair? So see over here. What is happen? Linear pair. It is a 70. So this one is a 110. Now you can give direct answer. So 110, same also 110, because vertically opposite angle. So what is this? Yes, it's the more than 90. It means here you have to write is obtuse angle. Clear? Okay. So these things you can write in your textbook only. No need to write in your notebook. But please students, make it practice and clear your idea. Okay. Now, in the joining figure, name the following pair of angles. Okay. So, obtuse, vertically opposite angle. What is the condition? Obtuse, and other is vertically opposite angle. So, which are the vertically opposite angle? Obtuse means more than 90. So, see, is AOD. It is a more than 90, because if we are taking this one, then they are less than 90. So AOD. Okay, this angle. And what is the vertically opposite angle of this? Yes, very good. BOC. So you have to write over here angle AOD, vertically opposite, it means both are equal, is equal to angle BOC. This is the answer of 1. Okay, clear? Now, adjacent complementary angles. What is the given? Adjacent. Okay, and complementary, it means they are having the sum. Yes, very good, 90 degree. Okay, so which one is a 90 degree? Very good, AOB and AOE, because they are adjacent angle and they are complementary. You can take these also. Okay. So here AOB, angle AOB and angle AOE, because here it make the right angle. Okay, complementary means we want the sum 90 degree. Okay, so this angle and this angle. Clear, student? Now third one. Equal supplementary angle. Equal supplementary angle, it means supplementary angle, but we want equal, means both the angles are equal and their sum is a supplementary means, yes, 180. Okay, so here which one is BOE? Yes, or DOE. Okay, they are equal because both are 90-90 and over here it making supplementary. So here you can write like this way, BOE angle and angle DOE. Clear, student? So they are equal supplementary angles. Now, next, unequal supplementary angles. Unequal supplementary, I am writing over here. Okay, it's visible? Okay. Unequal supplementary angles, it means we want supplementary, total we want 180, but unequal, both are not equal over here. So which are in unequal? So see over here, this is the linear pair. So here AOD and DOC, yes or not? AOD, AOD, angle AOD and angle DOC, they are supplementary because forming the linear pair. Okay, any pair you can write. You can write like this way also. AOE and EOC. Yes or not? Angle AOE, angle AOE and angle EOC. Angle EOC. Understood, students? Here AOE and EOC, they are forming over here linear pair. It means supplementary angle. Is that clear? You can write like this way also. BOA and AOD, they are also forming the linear pair. Angle BOA and angle AOD, they are also unequal and forming the linear pair. Okay, if you will try to do by yourself, then well and good, students, and then only you can understand. Okay, here it is not identified properly, you can't identify over here properly. Okay, so first what you have to do? Unequal. So you have to find unequal and supplementary. Supplementary means 180. Which are 180? Straight angle. This one angle we made, this is the 180. Okay. Now, fifth one. Adjacent angles and that do not form a linear pair. We don't want the linear pair. It means total 180 we don't want. Just we want the adjacent angles. So I am writing answer 5 over here. Okay. Adjacent angle. So here AOB and AOE, yes or not? Angle AOB and angle AOE, they are adjacent because common arm and common vertex, but they are forming the linear pair? No, because here total is a 90 degree, it's a complementary angle. Yes or not? Same way you can write angle AOE, angle AOE and angle EOD, angle EOD. Here, this much. They are forming linear pair? No, because linear pair is here. Till here they are not forming the linear pair. So this way also you can write. Okay. So many pairs are here. You can write by yourself. Maybe your answers vary from my answer. It's okay. Is that clear, students? So this way you have to complete your exercise 5.1. Thank you.